Pat, why do you garden?
Well, because I find plants very interesting and they're beautiful, and you get to be outside and enjoy nature and get some fresh air. Plus, it's a long time in my family history of growing plants.
We're addicted to plants. Hey Shay, why do you garden?
Well, my mom doesn't let me in the garden, but if she did, I'd probably really enjoy myself. It's always nice to be outside.
Hey Pam, Shay's mom, why don't you let Shay in the garden?
Let's just say that Shay, bless her little heart, but she's more of a tornado type gardener with random crazy colors, and I'm more of a single hue kind of lady. More like Martha Stewart, simple, more like Drew actually. We should get Drew. We should get Drew in here on this conversation too.
We're gonna go find Shay's sister.
Yeah. We're just gonna get her on the phone.
Hello.
Hi Drew, it's Laurel. Why do you love gardening?
I love gardening because I study interior design and I love the way that gardens can be a reflection of the home or complement the home as well.
Wow.
Oh wow. Thank you, Drew. Thank you. Hey Jackie, why do you garden?
I just like the idea of creating something beautiful.
Hey Laurel, why do you garden?
Well, gardening reminds me of my sister and my grandparents.